So my name is Francis Burns. I'm a student at Cornell. And I want to talk about recently large media outlets have published a number of pieces alleging that the student protest movement, particularly around Palestine, is dead under the second Trump administration. As a Cornell student, here with my comrades, I'm here to tell you that the student movement is not dead. In the face of immense repression from our institutions, we have faced serious consequences. But we have not disappeared. We have changed our tactics. This year, we have targeted the recruitment apparatuses of the military-industrial complex. By disrupting recruitment events, educating potential recruits, and exposing our university's ties to the most despicable corporations, we have successfully shut down or hindered the recruitment cycles of several companies, including Palantir, Anduril, and L3 Harris. The capacity of weapons manufacturers to wreak moral and environmental destruction in our world is enabled by institutions such as Cornell, where the brilliant minds of our student body are diverted from repairing this environmental crisis to building weapons of war. We have also worked to build greater unity in our communities. At Cornell, there is an incredible coalition of organizations working across an intersectional set of issues. I'd like to highlight, we have members here today from the Young Democratic Socialists of America, Eco-Socialists. We have the Progressives at Cornell, Students for Justice in Palestine, and many other orgs. Cornell and its elite peers place tremendous emphasis on the sustainability in the environment, yet the kind of environmentalism we associate with boardrooms, industrial development, and the accumulation of wealth will not bring us a liberated and sustainable future. This is a toothless, capitalist environmentalism, and it is a Trojan horse, an attempt by the wealthy to co-opt a powerful social movement. We cannot consume our way out of this crisis. We cannot buy our way out of this crisis. We know now that the Earth cannot be saved until its greatest polluters, the United States military and the fossil fuel industry, cease to be controlling forces in our society. Thank you.